Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by again. I hope you guys love this low quality video with the little butterflies. Yes, I'm using Instagram as my intro. So on today's video, I'm updating you guys my no acrylic needed nails at home at super affordable price, girl. I'm gonna save you guys some coins. So I'm gonna cut to the chit chat so you guys can learn how to get your nails like this at home at an affordable price. Please leave me your comments down below. Let me know, what is your favorite lucky number? Mine, I have two, which is 4 and 7. Those are my lucky numbers and my favorite numbers. So comment down below which ones are yours. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. So here's little me with my nails that I'm trying to grow, girl, but it's so hard. So the nails that I'm using, I bought the Makartt. They're 500 pieces in shape Coffin. I already named them all by my fingers, my thumb, my middle, pinky, and whatnot. Now the glue that I'm using is by Kiss. I love Kiss glue. This is my first time using the brush on. The one that I use regularly is the pink one, which works amazing. So what you want to do is put glue on your nail and on your fake nail, pressing gently and then pressing it like for 5 or 10 seconds till the bubbles remove, and you want to repeat this process throughout all the nails. I always carry a nail glue no matter what, because you never know, one can pop off, and if it pops off then I feel uneven. I just want to remove all of them. So I always carry a nail glue. They usually last around 3 weeks, which I feel like that's a long time. They last 3 weeks or more depending on how you are with them. And here's how they look all glued. Now you can leave them like that, but I personally can't do anything with how long that is. So cut them off and then shape them as how you want them. I'm shaping them more of a coffin shape. I got this nail filer from Walgreens, which it works really good. Everything I have here mainly is from Walgreens, and here I'm showing you guys how they look. I'm using the 3-step method by Salon Hansen, which is the gel. I suck at nail polish, so I'm like, hey, with the gel you can't go wrong. So the first step is the base, and then you're gonna need a lamp. The lamp that I have is by Makartt, which is really affordable. I'll link everything down below. I'm just going to apply the base all over my nail. And let me tell you this, you do need the first step, because for a while I was just using the nail polish, the gel nail polish, and it wasn't working out. It just didn't look as pretty. So make sure you get the 3 steps. So I'm going to apply this all over and then cure them under the light for 60 seconds. So this one is the color, and I'm just going to apply a thin coat all over my nails throughout all of them and then cure them again for 60 seconds. I love to do 2 coats. This is how they look with one, which they're really pretty. They look really natural. So 2 coats, and then I cure them again under 60 seconds. The last step is the number 3, which is the gel top coat. So I'm going to apply them all over my nails and then cure them under the light for 60 seconds. Make sure you take your time when you are applying the gel polish, because if you get close to your cuticle when you cure them under the light, they will lift a little bit up, not the nail, the polish itself. Then what you want to do is just grab some alcohol. I have some in this little bottle. Spray your nails, because if you don't, your nails are going to be sticky and you're going to be like, where the hell did I mess up? They're going to be ugly and sticky. So make sure that you apply alcohol. And here is the final look, you guys. You can apply some rhinestones or whatever, girl. But I hope I saved you guys some money. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me your comments down below if you're going to try this. Make sure to tag me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.